In this video I will show you how to see your YouTube subscriber on mobile. So once you have opened your YouTube app, you cannot see YouTube subscriber. So for that you need to open a browser. So let's jump on it. First we are going to open Google Chrome browser. You can open any of browser and then search for youtube.com. Now here you will see YouTube mobile version. So first we need to make it desktop version. So for that, on the top right corner here you will see three dot icon. Click on that, and here you will see desktop site. Click on that. Now you will see desktop version of YouTube. Now let's click on your YouTube profile icon and then click on YouTube Studio. Now on the bottom here you will see recent subscriber. Just click on see all and you will see all of your subscriber. By default you will see 10 subscriber. If you want to see more subscriber, click on the raw part page. So let's select 50. Now you will see 50 per row. So that is the way you can see your subscriber from mobile. Hope this video help you out. If this video help you, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.